Meaning of gold reserve.
Gold reserve.
Gold reserve.
Gold reserve.
Gold reserve. A gold reserve refers to the physical quantity of gold held by a government or central bank. It is a way to ensure the stability and credibility of a country's currency and economy. By having a sufficient amount of gold reserves, a nation can back its currency and maintain confidence among investors and foreign governments. Gold is considered a safe haven asset that retains its value even during times of economic uncertainty. Therefore, gold reserves are an important aspect of a country's financial stability and can provide a buffer against inflation or currency devaluation.